Hi, this is Craig Phillips with Quality Water Treatment, also known as Craig the Water Guy. I hope you're doing good today. Thank you for visiting us. I'm going to go over the residential water softener comparison chart, some of the top selling brands. I'm not going to read the chart to you line for line because you could do that yourself. But what I am going to do is I'm going to give you my input on it as a professional in the industry for over 35 years, based on my experience and the research that I have done on these different models. So we're going to start off with the different models here. We're going anywhere from the Soft Pro all the way up to the Rain Soft systems, and go over where you can find these systems, where they are available to purchase. The Soft Pro, the Genesis, the Fleck, and the Pelican uh, are all available online. You can purchase those online at different websites. The Clack and Culligan and Connecticut and Rain Soft on this list. Those are all only sold by brick and mortar dealers. They are not sold online, so you cannot go online and purchase those systems. Then you have your big box stores models such as General Electric, Whirlpool, Morton, Kenmore, and Sears. When I say big box stores, meaning that those systems are only available at stores that sell those particular models, such as Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, Bernard's, stuff like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and go with high efficiency technology now. So high efficiency technology means that the control valve has high efficiency technology built into it that has different features and programs that will save you in salt and water both. So the system will basically end up paying for itself over a period of time. Systems that do not have high efficiency features built into them will not save you a lot in salt or water, therefore costing you a lot more to operate, which they don't pay for themselves because there is no savings there for you. So let's go over that real quick. On the Soft Pro systems, as you can see, the Soft Pro and the Quantum both have high efficiency technology built in control valve. The rest of these do not. Give you an idea of what that means to you, besides give you some numbers here. Based on the manufacturer data for the Soft Pro Quantum systems, average family of four, these systems will save you a family of four up to $220 a year in salt and water savings alone. That's a huge savings. I feel that that number is a little elevated. I was thinking that you're going to save anywhere from 75 to $120 a year. The $224 a year, I think, is under best case scenarios. But regardless of how you look at it, it's a pretty huge savings for you. Uh, the rest of these systems do not have those technologies built into them. Warranty wise, you could look across the board here. The warranties are all across the board. Some are excellent, some not so much. Customer support is obviously really important, especially when you're purchasing a water softener. Most of the time, you really don't need any technical support on them, but when you need it, you need somebody that is there that is experienced, that can actually walk you through and help you repair the item. Now, Soft Pro and Quantum, those systems have really good technical support. It's free technical support for them as long as you own the system. All you got to do is go to qualitywatertreatment.com and use their live chat or give them a call on their toll free number. They'll open a ticket for you and go ahead and support you on that, as well as a lot of videos and stuff like that. They will help you out as well with installation issues. If you're having a problem installing your system, you have questions, you can immediately give them a call, email them, or go online, use their live chat, and ask the questions, and get your answers by certified technicians that have been in the business for a long time. The same with the Quantum. Fleck, it offers qualitywatertreatment.com, which is us. We offer the support for the Fleck as well as the Soft Pro Quantums. Some dealers do, some dealers don't. I can't speak for everybody on that. Genesis and Pelican, uh, those systems there, they're online as well, so you may or may not get that type of support. I've never tried it, obviously, because I've never bought a system from the other systems like Clack and Culligan and Connecticut and RainSoft, those systems there are all sold by brick and mortar dealers. They have to come to your home. They have to install your equipment, and so unless it's if you have a problem with your system, unless it's under the warranty guidelines that would cover it free of charge, you're going to get charged a service call for them to come out to your home. So purchasing online has a major benefit if you purchase from the right company that is able and is going to give you the technical support that you deserve, because it's not going to cost you anything to have that type of technical support available to you. Okay. When you get down to warranties, we already went over that. So system prices, we're going anywhere from $900 all the way up to $5,000 to $7,000 on these systems. Now, the Soft Pro, the Quantum, all those systems there, as far as Genesis, Genesis 2, Pelican, they're all really close to the same price. When you get down to the less expensive models with the big box stores, there's a reason why those are less expensive, because the quality on those is extremely low. The warranties aren't very good. It's very hard to get technical support, especially from somebody that actually knows what they're talking about. So there's a lot of reasons for those systems being less expensive than those other models. When you get to the rain soft systems, those are just outrageously priced. I have a lot of experience with rain soft. Used to work for a dealership similar to rain soft, and their model is they'll send somebody out to your home, they'll give you a big presentation, and they sell on emotion and what have you not. They're charging a lot for those systems. Those systems are not any better than the majority of the systems you see here, except for your big box store ones. Please don't be fooled into making that type of purchase on a water softener. It's not made of gold. At the end of the day, it's a water softener. So I hate to see people get sold on something like that and pay that kind of money for it. Water softeners are great. They are definitely a necessity, especially these days and age, because the water is so hard, it's so bad. You pretty much have to have them, but don't pay $5,000+ for it. Please don't do that. Do your own due diligence, do your own research on it, and you'll figure it out. The Connecticut systems, they're going to charge quite a bit for their system as well. The Connecticut's claim to fame is that they have a two-tank system, so they regenerate with soft water, which, for the average family, that's really not a benefit. Unless you're using water 24/7 all the time, it's really not a benefit to you at all. Their other claim to fame is that their system doesn't use electricity. Nowadays, your softeners are all low voltage, so they don't use much electricity anyway, so there's really no savings to you there. And there's a lot of moving parts on that Connecticut system when it regenerates. There's a lot of gear movement. They are proprietary systems, so getting parts and service for them is very expensive. In my opinion, they're just not worth the money. Okay. Culligan is proprietary as well. Nothing special about those, but they are proprietary because they're a franchise dealership. So again, you're going to pay a lot for service, a lot for parts. And those not just anybody can come out and service that equipment for you because they cannot get parts for it. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell when it comes to that part of it. When it comes to high efficiency features that we talked about earlier, the control valves. Now, the Soft Pro and the Quantum and the Culligan are the only systems that have high efficiency settings to a certain extent. Culligan doesn't have a lot of them, but it does have a few. So the proportional brining part of it, that's when the system doesn't use all the brine to regenerate the system. It only regenerates the resin that needs to be regenerated instead of regenerating all of it. So that saves you quite a bit in salt because you're not wasting salt to regenerate something that doesn't need to be regenerated. The rest of these systems do not have that, just the software, the quantum, and the collagen. Now, the Genesis 2 upflow, the Genesis 2 Premier upflow, they claim on their website that they do have all these high efficiency settings that I'm going to go over with you. Now, Genesis used to purchase their water treatment equipment from the same manufacturer that Quality Water Treatment does, but recently they changed that, and they changed the name from Genesis to Genesis 2. And because of that, we've done a lot of extensive research on this. We've talked to the manufacturer, the manufacturing systems for them, and we've gone through a lot of different get lab tests and actually going to the Genesis website and pulling up their service manual. We actually shot a video on this and made a chart on it. You can find it on our YouTube channel. Uh, they're misleading the public at this point. Those systems do not have high efficiency settings as they claim anymore because the manufacturer does not have those features built into that control valve. So please be aware of that when you're looking at their systems. When it comes to brine tank float assembly, that's not a high efficiency setting, but that is basically a setting, a feature that is in the brine tank that will lift up and keep the tank from overflowing and keep salt from going all over your floor. If there's ever an issue with the valve, some systems have them, some systems don't. Brine tank grid is to help keep salt from bridging up or hardening up while you create basically a bridge across the water so the water cannot dissolve the salt, meaning that when the system regenerates, there's no salt brine to recharge your resin bed, so you get hard water. So you got to break that brine bridge up with a broom handle or something like that to break it up, let it sit in the salt tank for a few hours. Then start a manual regeneration to get soft water again. The grid plate helps that. It doesn't completely eliminate that issue, but it definitely helps with it. Some systems have them, some systems don't. When it comes to automatic system refresh, what that means is that, like the SoftPro system, it's the only one on there besides the Connecticut, because the Connecticut is a twin alternating system. That will do a 5-minute backwash if it senses no usage for 7 days. So if you're gone for 7 days, you're not using water, it'll do a 5-minute backwash. You can turn that feature off, but it does a 5-minute backwash just to refresh the resin bed and keep bacteria from growing inside that resin bed. So it's a nice feature to have. We have a valve display on there with it's a 4-line LCD valve display, so you can look at the valve without pushing a bunch of buttons and pretty much see what's going on there. The rest of these systems do not have a 4-line display. The vacation mode, you can set the vacation mode up on the system when you're gone on the SoftPro and the Quantum. It doesn't look like any of those other systems have it. Automatic reserve. The automatic reserve of the system gives you a 15% reserve. So you're saving 50% salt water right off the bat with that SoftPro Quantum. None of the other systems have that feature. Automatic backwash variable. This is where your huge water savings comes in. Water softeners, city water, municipal water, they regenerate. When they regenerate, they backwash every single time. And that's where the majority of your water is wasted. With the SoftPro system, when you're on municipal supply, you can set the automatic backwash variable up, because when you're on municipal supply city water, you do not have to backwash every time the system regenerates, because it's not needed, because there's not a lot of what we call sticks and bricks in the water. So the main reason for it is just to fluff the resin bed up. So you don't need to do it every time. So the SoftPro and the Quantum have that automatic backwash variable where it would be set up to only backwash for 7 minutes every fifth regeneration. So that saves you a lot of water. Your average system, when it regenerates, it backwashes every single time, and it backwashes for 10 minutes minimum. Okay, some of them do it more. Some of them have double backwashes, so that you can waste more money, more water and more money. Just like the Genesis and the Genesis 2, for instance, they have double backwash features. You can turn one off, but if you don't, you waste even double the amount of water that you would normally use on any other system out there. Resin types 10% versus 8% resin. The difference is that 10% resin is more durable against chlorinated chloramines, which is used in municipal supply to disinfect your water than 8% resins. According to the manufacturer, which is also the manufacturer of 8% resins, 10% resin will last 3 to 4 times more than 8% resin. So there's a lot of value in having 10% resin. It will not just perform better with high chloramines in the water, but it won't be as infected as fast, so it will last longer, which saves you money. Uh, the average life expectancy of 8% resin with chlorine and chloramines in the water is anywhere from 5 to 10 years. You could go longer. Some of our customers have gone 15, 20 years. It really depends on how much water you use and how much chlorine and chloramine is being used in the water from the municipal supply company. 10% resin is going to last anywhere from 3 to 4 times longer than 8% resin under those circumstances. Okay. Plumbing size. The Soft Pro is a 1 inch control valve all the way through. It's ported 1 inch all the way through. The Quantum is 3/4. The rest of these systems range from 1 inch to 3/4. The Genesis says on their website that they're an 1 1/4 inch valve, but when we talk to the manufacturer does for those control valves, they don't make an 1 1/4 inch valve. So I don't know what's going on there, but I'm calling them at 1 inch valves right now because that's what the manufacturer says they are. They said they are 1 inch. They don't say they're 3/4 inch. As far as mobile apps go, the Soft Pro and the Quantum have a mobile app coming. Fleck has a mobile app, and some of these other systems do, but most of them don't. They all have pretty decent warranties. As far as third-party rated IAPMO certified, which is a lot like WQA, Water Quality Association. Soft Pro and Quantum are built by one manufacturer as a complete system. Genesis is built as a complete system by one manufacturer. So those are both third-party rated as a complete system through IAPMO. No other system out there has an IAPMO rated as a complete system. Fleck and Clack, as an example, Fleck and Clack do not build water softeners; they build control valves. So when you purchase a Clack or a Fleck water softener, you're buying a Clack or Fleck valve that is put on a tank from a different manufacturer, so it cannot be third-party rated. Okay, so I hope that helps you folks out. Thank you very much, and have a great day.